Everybody loves Kadena. All right, let's go get some Kadena. Everybody loves this stuff. It's going to change the world. That's what I keep being told, but y'all could be right. My viewers leaving comments have been right about a lot of stuff. Not everything, obviously, but um, a lot of people. I do read a lot of the comments. I haven't in the last week and a half though. But all right, here we go. And if you are new to my channel and you haven't, so I'm recording this. If you haven't seen what these lines mean, I explain it very clearly in my last video. So just go to my channel and look at my last Kadena video. I show you what, I guess I can't make them disappear real fast, but I show you what they mean. But for a quick thing, the yellow ones are your super macro lines. And all this stuff is just where 100% of trading volume has been since the top. That's all we're looking at. And where they intersect, two important lines intersecting creates more probability that that's going to be a strong resistance, especially if it aligns with a horizontal on top, right? All right. Because it just it just tells you more probability of buyers or sellers stepping in. So I don't know. If Bitcoin makes another leg up, it's coming up to $2. Yeah, the next stop is the top of the channel line, which also hits the yellow origin line. So, and if it takes a little too long to get there, so let's go to the 1 hour chart. If it takes a little longer to get there, it'll still hit $2. Yeah, it'll do a failure pattern above this to hit the yellow line. I think $2 is a clear target, a very clear target. And you have another horizontal up there. Ooh, it might even go it could go a little higher. I would say the highest it goes in this rally, let's put on the weekly 10 and daily 89 because that's what I'm using. So that's that one. I guess it could actually go a little higher. So this range, right? Let's call it this horizontal is going to be a lot of resistance. The middle of this horizontal is at $2.25. So the more bullish thing I could see is some space between the purple line and the red line, somewhere in here is where it's going. The more bullish case. And within that, the top of this is around $2.40. If Bitcoin gets to 28K, that's probably where Kadena would be, is under 250, around 240, okay? At the daily 89. Since it's lagging behind Bitcoin. Bitcoin 30K would mean Bitcoin gets on top of this, the same EMA. But Kadena would probably stop at 240. Most bullish in this bear market rally, yeah, before a serious pullback, and then potential continuation after, but it could race up to 240. More reasonably, I would say, so now you have triple confluence here. You have a failure of the top of the macro trading channel, a super macro origin line, and the weekly 10 all going to be in this triangle here. Kadena will pull back from that triangle. Will it reverse and go down from that triangle? Possibly. That's one of the two options. But it could also go into that triangle, pull back significantly down to this horizontal here, down to $1.80. So it could go all the way up to $2, go down to $1.80, and then bust through. But regardless, and then touch the daily 89, which this purple line by that time would be here. So those arrows would kiss. You see that? But in the immediate term, you're gonna get a pullback around $2. Like that triangle is gonna make it stop in its tracks, and then it could make a higher high thereafter. But your more immediate thing is $2. $2 is just you got triple confluence. You got too many groups of sellers. Too many groups of people looking at totally different things, having different reasons to sell all at once. So if Kadena hits $2 and you're holding on to Kadena and you want more Kadena, well, a quick 20 bag could be a good solution. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. 20 bag just means if you have 1,000 Kadena, you sell 20% or 200. That's what 20 bag means. It's just the percentage of your full bag. 20 bag. So my bags of altcoins, right, will sell 20 bag. Or even a 50 bag, really. But again, not financial advice. If I held Kadena, so personally, my version of Kadena for a spot trade, I don't trade it on futures, but I do Dash. And I'm personally, there's a similar triangle for Dash okay, with the weekly 10 and stuff like that. I personally am going to 100 bag. I'm going to go more aggressively. In bull markets, I almost never 100 bag, and the few times I did, it burned me. That's why, when you only 20 bag, if you get burned, well, you still have 80% of your bag is going up. So 20 bagging works so well in a bull market. It's like literally 20 to 33% selling at a good range is by far the best thing to do during a bull market that you don't think is quite over yet. But I personally, for Dash, my one spot position, it's my only spot position I'm actively trading. I'm holding B Pro, holding XRP, holding Mover, but I'm not pissing with it. I'm just whatever. 2025, I'll start thinking about selling, and I'll actually DCA into some of those other things. But active spot trade, I'm personally gonna, in Dash's version of this, which is it's pretty similar. I personally am going to 100 bag because I'm going to go more aggressively to try to accumulate more. And that's what I got for Kadena. $2 is a big target. Am I guaranteeing it'll get there? No, I'm not. Am I guaranteeing you what I'm saying is correct if it does it there, that it will pull back? No, I'm not guaranteeing that either. What I am saying is you have triple confluence. It makes an extremely high probability that if $2 is hit, then strong pullback is extremely likely.